How many times can I get the PLong protocol? Well, when I did the PLong study, I had to set a time that we finally submitted our results. And so I made that 6 months because that's sort of what I anticipated was a time point where we could show a significant difference. But many of my patients who have completed the PLong study come back in for injection of PRP and continue using the traction and suction devices and take Affirm, and they're continuing to see growth. And so we'll continue to follow those patients to give men expectations as to what the long-term benefits of the PLong protocol will be. A lot of men also ask, will I be able to keep those gains? I think as long as you're taking a nitric oxide boosting supplement like Affirm, and as long as you're healthy, eating well, exercising, maintaining proper weight, then there's a reasonable expectation that you will be able to keep those gains. You'll only lose those gains when erections are no longer as good as they used to be.